I gotta hydrate. Lime. Oh, so tasty. Hola familia! Busy mommy here again. It's been a while, I know, and I'm sorry. It has been crazy busy, but if you can see in front of me, I got a Blackstone for Mother's Day, and it's beautiful outside. Well, it's a little bit hot. I gotta hydrate. If this doesn't say me, I don't know what does. So, today we're gonna do just a quick little snack that I love making in the summertime. It is probably one of my favorites. I credit this to one of my friends who taught me this, and honestly, it's like the only way to eat cucumber in the summer. So, get yourself a cucumber, make sure you wash it nice. With the farmers markets open right now, you're getting such beautiful produce. Please shop local if you can. While this heats up, let's go ahead and make our snack. It's really actually rather simple. Get yourself a cucumber and a peeler. If you don't have a peeler, you can definitely use a knife. I know my grandma would have used a knife, I'm sure. But what I like about the peeler, and I don't keep the ends, you can keep it if you want. I do like a rough peel. And then all you do is keep peeling these strands like this. So I'm gonna peel a couple of strands. Normally I would do the whole cucumber, and the longer this sits in the fridge, the better, because it marinates a little bit longer. But look at these beautiful strands of cucumber. Let me show you what that looks like. It's just so pretty. So there you go, you got your cucumber, and then you're gonna cut up some lime, aka limon verde, which is green lemon, which is why I always get it mixed up. All right. Put that in there, and then I gotta get my salt, so you're just wait. Okay, I got my salt. You're just gonna put some salt on it and mix it up. That is literally it. That is it. It is a really quick, very refreshing cucumber dish. You can add tajin to it if you want, or any other seasoning, but just eating it like this or putting it on some tacos, it's like pickled cucumber. So good. My hair, the wind. I mean, if this doesn't say fresh summer day snack, I don't know what does. So give it a shot. Super quick, super easy, super fast, and oh, so tasty. I'm pickling this to put on top of my tacos later, so if you want to see the video of how I make my carne asada, we'll link it below. Love y'all. Glad to be back. Hasta la próxima vez. It's been a while. Isn't it a Stained song? Since I've been on my YouTube. Okay.